Welcome to Lesson 3 of Level Up with May's Arabic course. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to recognize, read, and write the 3 long vowels in Arabic. Let's begin with a quick revision of the 6 finishing letters. Each has a specific name and pronunciation as shown here. I mentioned earlier in the course that the pronunciation of the letter is more important than its name at this stage because it is less confusing. 2 of the finishing letters also function as long vowels, and they are alif with the sound a and waw with the sound u. The third long vowel is the letter ya. This letter is pronounced as an e by default, similar to the sound in the word tree. When starting a word, it can also produce a y sound, like in the word yarn. It can connect from both sides and has different shapes depending on its position within a word. To practice writing the letter, start from the hook on the top right, then go down to form a pot-like shape, then close it at the end to indicate that nothing will be written after it. The basic shape at the end of a word can also be joined to the previous letter. Nothing changes in this case except that the hook is attached to the previous letter. This letter has the same shape at the beginning and middle of a word, but you go back to the basic shape at the end. At the beginning of a word, you have to remove the initial hook and the closed left side of the letter, and then the shape is like a lower right side angle of a rectangle with 2 dots at the bottom. Here are examples of the letter ya appearing in various positions within a word. Let's read them together. دير داري يدي يريد. To summarize, the 3 long vowels are alif for the sound a, waw for the sound u, and ya for the sound e. To reinforce your learning, you can practice writing these letters using the worksheet on my website, LevelUPwithMay.com. For more detailed guidance, you can watch the videos on my YouTube channel at Level Up with May, where I demonstrate how to write and join these letters to form words. I am bringing my 20 years of experience online in language acquisition and theory of knowledge so that you level up your skills. Thank you for watching.